Hi, PerspectaWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, August 16th. It looks like more showers and thunderstorms are coming to the Mid-Atlantic region on Friday, probably in the late afternoon, evening hours associated with the approach of a frontal system. That front stalls out nearby on Saturday, and that paves the way for more unsettled weather to start the weekend here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Low pressure is likely to form along the stalled out frontal boundary zone on Saturday, and it could cause an additional round of showers, maybe even some embedded thunderstorms later Saturday night. Behind that, it looks like it finally clears away enough on Sunday for some partial sunshine. Still could be a shower or two in the area, especially south of the Mason-Dixon line on Sunday afternoon. But the bigger change by Sunday will be the cooler conditions. It looks like it turns cooler on Sunday, stays cooler for the early part of next week. High temperatures Sunday and Monday much closer to 80 degrees compared to the 90 degrees expected this afternoon and probably tomorrow afternoon as well. Here's the latest surface map. Here's that next frontal system. It is a slow mover, a weak cool front at this time, stationary in some parts of the upper Midwest. That will slowly push south and east. Should be rain-free today in the Mid-Atlantic region. Back-to-back days of rain-free conditions, unusual for the past several weeks. But this front raises the chances for showers and thunderstorms, especially tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Could be some strong storms in the mix and some downpours as well as that front arrives here late tomorrow night. That front then will kind of stall out as has been the case for much of the summer. Right in this region, right in here, it could stall out on Saturday. Low pressure could form right along that stalled out frontal boundary zone and continue the threat for showers in the Mid-Atlantic region later Saturday into Saturday night, maybe another thunderstorm or two. Finally, that probably pulls away for Sunday, partial sunshine, cooler conditions, although again there can be a few showers, especially south of the Mason-Dixon line. Well, let's take a look at last night's GFS forecast maps at the surface. This is from the 6Z model run, and we are looking at 6-hour increments. Here, all these maps available, by the way, in tropicaltidbits.com. Again, starting off rain-free here in the Mid-Atlantic region. A pretty pleasant morning here. Pretty high humidity levels, however, and it'll turn pretty hot this afternoon with high temperatures at or slightly above the 90-degree mark in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City. Let's now push forward here. And again, rain-free conditions last through the day into the night, probably partly to mostly cloudy night in the I-95 corridor. And then as we get into the morning hours on Friday, we'll start to notice frontal system causes a band of showers and embedded thunderstorms upstream from the I-95 corridor during the morning, midday hours. But then that looks like that'll just translate into the I-95 corridor. And again, there can be some strong thunderstorms in the mix here late tomorrow night. Some downpours associated with that frontal passage. Low pressure rides up along that frontal boundary zone up into northern New England by later tomorrow night. Then as we get into the morning hours on Saturday into midday, that front tends to stall out right along the east coast. This is now the forecast map for Saturday afternoon. Some scattered showers returning to the Mid-Atlantic region along that stalled out frontal boundary zone, and then here we go, low pressure actually forms right along that frontal boundary zone. This has kind of been a trend for many weekends, especially during the summer season, and it continues this upcoming weekend with the chance for showers on Saturday afternoon into Saturday night, maybe an additional thunderstorm. Thunderstorms a little bit more likely on Friday afternoon, Friday evening, but again, more rain coming, an unsettled start to the upcoming weekend. Let's push forward here. By the time we get into Sunday morning, most of that pushes off the coast. We get a little bit cooler. High temperature Sunday afternoon, probably closer to 80 degrees compared to the 90 degrees expected this afternoon and tomorrow. As we push ahead Sunday, notice a little bit of moisture here already returning down south of the Mason-Dixon line. This is for Sunday evening, so cannot rule out a shower or two late in the day in the D.C. metro region, for example, maybe even up into southern Pennsylvania. But for the most part, partial sunshine on Sunday and cooler conditions. Those cooler conditions continue on Monday and Tuesday as well. Primarily dry on Monday, maybe another round of showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. But Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, certainly cooler conditions with high temperatures all 3 days, right around the 80-degree mark, again, compared to 90-plus degrees today and Friday afternoon. Well, let's wrap up by looking at the ensemble run of the GFS. The 850 millibar temperature anomalies average out over a 5-day period. This happens to be the current 5-day period from last night's 6C GEFS run. A little bit above normal on average for this current 5-day period. But when we jump ahead to the 6 to 10 day, notice what happens here. And this is, again, is the beginning of the next week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. Much cooler than normal over the Midwest and near normal conditions here in the eastern part of the nation. So a cooling trend begins on Sunday. Looks like Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday highs near 80. That follows more rain for the Mid-Atlantic region. Showers and thunderstorm threat for Friday afternoon, Friday evening, and then more showers possible Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, maybe with an additional thunderstorm or two. That's it for now. For PerspectaWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.